Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, right? So we're looking at the daily chart here, guys. A little bit zoomed out, because also, guys, this day, when this day ends, it will be the end of the week, right? So then the weekly candle is also important. So let's take a look at the weekly candle here. Well, right now we have like this little bit of a wick down, right? But we still have a green body. So if we end it like this, that'd be pretty decent. Not gonna lie, right? But we did get rejected on the day, guys. So if we look on the daily, right, we did get rejected here once again at this like super important downtrend line. We simply got rejected there, and will we go down once more and then try again? Who knows? What I think is logical as well to happen, if you look at the daily RSI, right? So we finally breached that. We need to retest that and then go. So I'm looking for that as well. So that is a bullish scenario there, guys. Basically, if we take the RSI here, right? So down here, guys, we're gonna retest that and then pop off there, right? That is something that could potentially happen as well. So I'm definitely looking out for that. But right now we simply got rejected. So let's zoom in a little bit, right? So the 12-hour, obviously you can see you got rejected as well. You got some doji candles there. It's not like I don't have the I can't really short here, because I don't know how far down we will go, honestly, right? So it is a little bit iffy here, because I mean, looking at the daily, we did cross this, so this is bullish. I don't want to short that, right? So I honestly think we will take that and then go up. So let's take a look at the 6-hour here. We did get rejected, like I said. Where is the most likely area we'll get back to, right? Well, are we gonna hit that 6K once again and then try again? It's all possible, guys, right? That is probably actually a very likely scenario, because then the RSI has that time to get back as well to retest that breakout that we had on the RSI, at least. We did get a higher low here, and we got a higher high as well, but not higher than this. So it is what it is. And honestly, guys, we're still in this downtrend, right? Whether you like it or not. But the RSI is not. So there's like this difference, right? The price is still in the downtrend, but the daily RSI is not, right? Once again, guys, right? The daily RSI is above it. So it's in an iffy situation there, honestly. If you look at the 4-hour, both my EMAs, the 21 and the 55, are right here, around 62.40, which if you look here, so let me take this, yeah, let me take it up here, right? So the 38.2 of the Fibonacci from this bottom to this top is also there. So is that a likely place that we could bounce? Well, you'd say so, right? But then again, looking at the 4-hour RSI, I think it can definitely go a little bit lower. So is then the 50, is the 0.5 a likely area we could bounce, right? Right around here. Is this an area we can bounce between the 50 and the 61.8? Definitely. I mean, look at all this price action here, right? So it's definitely something to look at, guys. Because right here, it can, but I definitely want to see some confirmation if I want to, go in some coin, right? I want to see some confirmation on Bitcoin in order to go into a different crypto, right? So guys, in the long term, man, of course I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, but honestly, so Bitcoin's at 6K, right? The top was at 20K, so that's about a 3 times gain. Now, if you take a look at Neo, for example, it's at $30. Like if you go to back to 200, that's a 6x gain, right? A little more than 6. So what is better to get in, you know, for your gains? And I mean, it's a very easy case for the longer term, right? Then it would be NEO. Ethereum is at $400 here, right? So Ethereum was at nearly, I think it was at 2K, wasn't it? Let's just take a look real quick. I think it was at 2K. No, it wasn't. 1400. So yeah, Ethereum is not that good, right? It's also kind of like Bitcoin. But NEO is definitely one that can give you more gains. Same for Ripple, right? Ripple was at $3. I mean, where is it right now? Ripple's at 40 cents. So you know, it's a little more than, it's actually more than 7 times gain. So it's, you know, you have to take a look and think what is best for you, right? I mean, of course, always good to have some Bitcoin, but I have some Bitcoin, right? Don't worry about that. But you know, diversifying into different ones, I think is better to hold other ones more of than Bitcoin, because you know, honestly, if Bitcoin rises, then you know that NEO and all them will rise as well, and that is just what will happen, and you know, they will give you more percentages for your money. So hey, that's just my tip that I got for you, right? Look at other altcoins. So I mean, especially the ones that have been around for the whole market cycle, right? The whole market cycle, as in Ethereum, NEO, Litecoin, you know, there's a few others, XRP, Ontology, for example, hasn't, right? EOS hasn't, ZIL hasn't. So for the whole market cycle, I mean, guys, Icon has done the whole market cycle as well. Definitely can have a big bump up as well. So that is for the longer term, right? And then you got your risky investments as well. Well, you know, I'd say medium risk, right? Like the video I did yesterday about Apex, right? It's medium risk, but in the short term, it can even give you a 5 times gain, because from 6 cents to 30 cents, back to 30 cents, it's already 5 times gain, and that, you know, that can happen in the span of a few months instead of whereas Bitcoin will probably take longer to get to an all-time high, right? So yeah, that's just what I'm looking at, right? So anyways, guys, Bitcoin, I mean, like we talked about, I think a likely scenario is in between the 6150 area to 6060 or so, right around this area, right? So we're just gonna mark some areas right here, right? So we have this based on this, and then I mean, you still have this 38 too, right? And if it comes to worst, again, you know, we have obviously we have this, right? So that is the areas I'm looking at for a potential reversal. Do I just jump in right now? No. You know, definitely waiting for it to come here and wait for a candle to show me a pin bar or a some kind of reversal, right? Like a big wick to the downside with a body at the top. You know, this was obviously bearish, you know, all these wicks to the upside, and then off we go down, right? So yeah, that is what I'm looking for, guys, and that's pretty much it, you know, for this Bitcoin update, and also a little bit talk about these altcoins, right, that I potentially look at. I'm very much looking at NEO, right? I just, when I see NEO at $30 and even under it, guys, you know, I just need to buy, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, you know, guys. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what went on here, right? So I'm putting it on ZIL, Switcheo, and Apex. I'm so excited about Bullax and its partners. Got a message from Switcheo about converting the ontology I have there. Have you guys converted? No, I haven't yet. I know about the O3 wallet though. So guys, I don't know if Binance will give us our ONG. ONG is like the ontology gas, or if we need to have it in the O3 wallet. That will definitely give you ONG, right, for holding ontology. I don't know. So you know, keep me updated on that. I mean, I know that they give gas on holding Neo, so you know that's one thing. So yeah, guys, join up with that. You know, join up with the CryptoPies blog. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO that I think is worth it, that has a good team, low cap, it's either an infrastructure, a payment protocol, etc., then I think it's good, then I'll tell you guys about it, and you can get yourself whitelisted, right? So you won't miss that ICO when the sale is on. Also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, where I post all my videos as well. So if you're not on Telegram, you can still see it on Twitter. And sometimes I post the chart there as well, not that often. And you know, but I do it every now and then, right? But it's just something for you guys. So if you're not on the Telegram, right? If you don't always watch your Telegram, then at least on Twitter it will be posted as well. And also, guys, follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz, where I go live every now and then to talk about cryptos, or when there's a sudden dump, I will definitely go live and, you know, talk about the dump and where I think it will go, etc., my opinions about it. And yeah, join up with that as well. So yeah, anyways, guys, both Telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.